Hi, I would recommend you to open a virtual trading account so that you can test below mentioned in that virtual trading account, and you should get a feel how to trade it, because it's not something that you will see and you will learn. It's something that you need to form on the trading pattern on the charts yourself. Now I would recommend you to open any virtual account, but if you don't know how to open a virtual account, you can open one at Investopedia Stock Simulator or Virtual Trading Scott Trade. Now, what do you need to do? You need to do nothing. You just need to sign up, and that's it. You get this virtual trading account. Although you can open your account in like any website, but I would recommend you Investopedia Stock Simulator. I've just opened it here. What you need to do is enter your email address, just enter a username, password, confirm password, and register. Boom, you have your account. With this account, you will get like all the codes of the stock exchange, and you can test your skills. Now to check the chart pattern as you would have seen, I have mentioned how to open an account on this investing.com. I have already opened an account, so I will just log into it. And I will just pick any like penny stock. Here we have the penny stock ready. Zoom it in. On this platform, you can test any chart pattern or strategy or anything. And through testing, you will learn new procedures. You would learn new thinking. And that's what matters. I would recommend you open an Excel sheet as well and enter buy date, stock, sell date, stock, shares, that is how much quantity, and is it buy or short sell. Then we will be putting shares and here. So it will be like 2nd Feb stock CPV shares 1000. It was buy. Sell date 5 February. Stock CPV shares 1000. Sell. Profit. Commissions and profit after cost. And boom, your trading account is ready. We have missed a price. We have missed the price, so we have added price here and price here. And this Excel sheet is ready. If you need this Excel sheet, send me a message. I will send you the Excel sheet. And this is how you can keep a manual track of your trading account here, which will help you in the future, because in the future you can after 6 months you can check it again. Okay, what did I did at that time? Because we as humans forget, and this Excel sheet will help you remember it. So this is why I would recommend you to do open a dummy virtual account, Excel sheet, and an account on this technical analysis software that I have shared, so that you can check all the strategies, chart pattern, etc. at it, and you would know if it is working or not, so that you can trade according to your plan. And this Excel sheet can be checked after even 6 months, because it will help you know, okay, I bought it at 2nd February. What happened at 2nd February? Here. Okay, it was here. I bought it here, I sold it here. This is why this Excel sheet is far more important. So always make a manual record of your trading so that you can check it. It's made by you, so you don't need to like really work it out. This will be also available at virtual trading accounts or even your original trading account. But it is really hard. You need to like go to uh, view tab, etc tab, then the X tab, then you will get a Y report, and then you will get W report. It's hell lot of reports, and you don't get the simple procedure. That is, you bought on this date, this stock at this price, this much share, it was buy. Then you sold at this date, this stock, this much share, it was a sell, this much price, this was the profit, this was the commission, this was profit after cost. So that you can get a record on your own rather than relying on anyone else. If you have any question, do ask me. Thank you.